Those centuries have changed the flame. Kingdoms rose and kingdoms fell, yet history still has tales to tell. Golden empires touched the sky, dreams were built that never die. Every road and ancient wall still can hear the echoes call. Time keeps marching, never slows, only history truly knows. From the pyramids to Roman stone, every age has left its throne. Castles standing through the rain, holding glory, holding pain. Lost civilizations whisper low, secrets only silence knows. Buried cities, forgotten lands, waiting beneath the desert sands. Every ruin tells a story, every scar remembers glory. Though the world keeps moving on, the spirit of the past lives on. We are walking through the years, built by hope and shaped by fears. Every step and every flame adds another timeless name. History never fades away, it lives inside each new day. Listen closely, hear its call. The past still stands beyond us all.